Hello and welcome to the class on measures of central tendency. A measure that describes the central aspect of the data is referred to as an average. An average is a value that summarizes the entire mass of the data. Most of the observations in the data set are clustered around an average. The procedure for estimation of central value is known as measure of central tendency. The characteristics of good average are that it should be rigidly defined, it should be easy to understand and compute, it should be based on all the observations in the data, its definition shall be in the form of a mathematical formula, it should be capable of further algebraic treatment, it should have sampling stability, and it should be capable of being used in further statistical computations or processings. Various types of averages are arithmetic mean, median, mode, geometric mean, harmonic mean, weighted mean, as well as quartiles, deciles, and percentiles. Arithmetic mean, median, and mode can be categorized as simple averages, whereas geometric mean, harmonic mean, weighted mean are treated as special averages. Median and mode are graphical or positional averages, whereas rest others are mathematical averages. The data can be of two types, simple data and group data. This is an example of simple data, which is also known as ungrouped or raw data. This table refers to classified, grouped, or frequency distribution data. Arithmetic mean is the sum of all the observations of the data divided by total number of observations. Arithmetic mean is denoted with the symbol capital X bar. For simple data, arithmetic mean is calculated with the formula summation xi divided by n. For calculation of arithmetic mean of group data, the formula summation fi multiplied by mi divided by capital N is used, where fi refers to the frequency of ith class interval, mi refers to the midpoint or class mark of ith class interval. Capital N refers to summation of frequencies or total number of observations in the data. The arithmetic mean can be computed using a shortcut method known as assumed mean method. For simple or ungrouped data, the arithmetic mean is computed with the formula a plus summation di divided by small n, where a is the assumed mean, that is, any value in the given data set which is considered as a hypothetical mean, and di refers to the deviation of the ith observation from the assumed mean. In case of group data, any class mark, generally middle class mark, is chosen as an assumed mean to calculate arithmetic mean based on the shortcut method. Arithmetic mean is rigidly defined, it is easy to understand and easy to calculate. It is more accurate and more reliable. Arithmetic mean is a calculated value. We can calculate arithmetic mean even if some information of the data is lacking, and compared to all other averages, arithmetic mean is least affected by the fluctuations of the samplings, and it provides a good basis for comparison of the two different data sets. However, arithmetic mean cannot be obtained by mere inspection, or it cannot be located through a frequency graph. It cannot be useful in the study of qualitative phenomena such as intelligence, honesty, etc. It can lose its accuracy if we are ignoring a single observation. It is affected very much by extreme values, and it cannot be calculated for open-end classes. Median is the value which has got equal number of observations on its either side when the observations are arranged in either ascending or descending order of their magnitude. In case of simple data, median is computed as the value of n plus 1 divided by tooth item if the number of observations in the given dataset are odd, and it is computed by taking average of n by tooth and n by 2 plus 1th item if the number of observations in the given data series are even. For group data, the median is computed with the given formula, where capital L is the lower limit of the median class interval, capital N is the total frequency, CF is the cumulative frequency preceding the median class interval, capital C is the width of the class interval, and F is the frequency of the median class interval. Median class interval is the class interval which is having the cumulative frequency equal to or just greater than the value of capital N divided by 2. Merits of median are that it is not influenced by extreme values because it is an positional average. It can be calculated even in case of distributions which are having open-end class intervals. It can be located even if the data is incomplete. Median can be located even for qualitative characters such as ability or honesty, etc. However, a slight change in the series may bring drastic change in the value of the median. In case of even number of observations or continuous series, the median is only an estimated value. This value is not actually there in the given dataset. Median is not suitable for further mathematical treatment. While calculating median, we are not taking into consideration all the observations in the given data series. Mode is the value which is occurring in majority of times in the given data series. Mode can be computed by using array, by interpolation, by graphic method, or by using mean and median. In case of simple data, mode is computed using an array, where the given observations are arranged in their ascending or descending order of magnitude, and the value which is occurring most frequently is located. In case of group data, mode is computed with the given formula. Here, modal class interval is the class interval which is corresponding to the highest frequency. Mode can be estimated using a graphic method, where the corners of the highest rectangle of the histogram are joined by straight lines, and a perpendicular line is drawn from the point of intersection up to the x-axis, and the value corresponding to the x-axis is referred to as an mode of the given data series. Mode can also be estimated using mean and median based on the distribution of the data series. If the distribution is negatively skewed, the mode can be computed with the formula 3 multiplied by median minus 2 multiplied by the mean. Merits of the mode are that it is easy to calculate, and in some cases it can be located by mere inspection of the data. It is not affected by extreme values, can be calculated for open-end classes. It is an actual value of the given dataset, and in some cases it is the best representative of the data. However, mode is not based on all the observations. It is not capable of further mathematical treatment. Mode is affected to a great extent by sampling fluctuations, and it is not suitable for comparison of the given datasets. Based on the nature of the frequency curve, the relationship between mean, median, and mode is shown over here. In case of normal distribution, in case of positively skewed distribution, and in case of negatively skewed distribution. Thank you.